heart, sending you warm hugs and kisses. I love you and we miss you. Hi Alice, good morning. Happy 75th birthday. All the best. God bless you. Ciao.
Manang, this is for you. Hey, happy birthday! Yes.
Sabi namin,
Cheers! Cheers! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Alice! Hey, I feel good to you. Good health, good luck, God bless. Love you. Love you too. Cheers. All the best.
Happy birthday, Lola Alice.
Happy 75th birthday. Hey, look, you know, Madam is before. Happy birthday to you. Yes.
Hello, Mother. Happy birthday. More good health to come. Stay pretty always. I love you. Thank you. Thank you very much sa inyong mga health someone.
Birthday, Mamila Alice. I love you.
Hi Alice, happy birthday. It's been a while since we visited and